The Flare network is here to bring some groundbreaking new technologies to the world of crypto, opening up a world of possibilities by connecting everything and bringing the power of smart contracts to layer 1 blockchains such as XRP, Doge, BTC and Algorand. All this while maintaining consistent usage costs and facilitating DeFi use cases with a native FLR token. So what is the Flare network? The Flare network is a decentralized blockchain that uses the Flare consensus protocol. While proof-of-work systems typically have scalability limits, Flare pushes past these limits with a permissionless network that consists of a stabilized coin. The Flare network team has spent years ensuring that every aspect of the network infrastructure is properly customized, integrated, audited, and verified. Its main purpose is to provide inputs for decentralized finance platforms. And here is a short history on the Flare network. The Flare network was first introduced in 2022 with a goal of launching later that year. Initially, the plan was to create a chain that would allow certain tokens from layer 1 networks to be used with smart contracts. However, the Flare network team decided to shift their focus and put in extra time and effort to research and engineer a more promising product. The result is a powerful and versatile platform that has the potential to revolutionize the world of blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Who are the founders of Flare Network? Hugo Fillion and Sean Rowan are the co-founders of Flare Network. Fillion is the CEO and an expert in investing, and he has a degree in machine learning. Rowan is the CTO and he has a background in math, engineering and also machine learning. Rowan has experience in the blockchain field and has worked on secure communication protocols. So what is Flare Network building? Flare is building a network that helps different blockchains work together. It's safer and more secure compared to what we have today. Flare Network also gives developers tools to build solutions that make it easy for different systems to communicate. Right now, Flare is working on 3 products: F-Assets, Layer Cake, and Relay. I will make videos explaining these products immediately after they are live on the Flare network. These products will connect everything while keeping the blockchain decentralized. Here are 6 things that make the Flare network special. Number 1, cross-chain interoperability. The Flare network is designed to facilitate cross-chain interoperability, which means that it allows different blockchain systems to communicate and work together. Number 2, decentralized cross-chain future. The Flare network aims to enable a fully decentralized cross-chain future, which is safer and more secure than the current alternatives. Number 3, open protocols. The Flare network provides open protocols, and this means that it allows developers to create various solutions for interoperability. Number 4, they are developing 3 unique products for interoperability, as stated before: F-Assets, Layer Cake, and Relay. Number 5, integration of Ethereum's EVM. The Flare network is designed to integrate the Ethereum virtual machine, which allows it to run smart contracts that are Turing complete. This means that the network can run nearly every type of computational task as long as it has enough memory. Number 6, the consensus protocol. The Flare network uses the Avalanche consensus protocol, which is compatible with the federated Byzantine agreement used by networks like Stellar and XRP. This protocol is designed to secure the network without completely and only relying on the proof of stake consensus. What are the recent updates on Flare network? The Flare token distribution event is scheduled to take place on January 9th, 2023. Several major exchanges including Binance, Huobi, KuCoin, Coinbase, BYBIT, Bitfinex and Gate.io are expected to support the distribution based on their participations in the airdrop campaign in 2020. Users who are eligible will receive only 15% of the allocated tokens. The remaining 85% will be distributed over the course of 3 years. A proposal update will be activated in order to decide the most effective way of distributing the remaining 85% of the tokens. Here are the Flare Tokenomics. Most Flare tokens are intended for community ownership. Only 100 billion tokens will be created. About 28 billion tokens will be distributed at a token distribution event, while 20 billion tokens will be allocated to cross-chain incentive pools. Here are some use cases for the FLR token. Number 1, users can earn rewards by staking their tokens. Number 2, payments of fees. FLR tokens can be used to pay for fees on the Flare network, such as transaction fees or smart contract fees. Number 3. For governance. FLR token holders can participate in the network's governance by voting on proposals and decisions that impact the network. Number 4. Cross-chain transactions. FLR tokens can be used to facilitate cross-chain transactions between different blockchain networks. Number 5. Incentives and rewards. The Flare network may use FLR tokens to incentivize and reward certain behaviors or contributions to the network. Number 6. NFTs and digital assets ownership. FLR tokens could potentially be used as a means of ownership or transfer of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, or other digital assets. I'll make sure to cover future updates here on Flare Network. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.